people, hello Menja. Hi people, hello Menja. Dag Menja. Goeiedag. Good afternoon. Goeiemiddag. It's not about these stuff now. Or that. You can read the code there. Or this. Or about that. But there was a truck over there. And now it's gone. The cab is there. You can see behind the 505 sticking out in a station wagon. There. Okay, the cab is now off. So they pushed it in here. And the Tata pickup they took away. Now this is the Tata motor. And this is the motor I took out of this truck. And there's the gearbox. Okay, so the motor was in there. The engine was in there. And it's same motor as the one our truck uses. Now where's the code? Oh, the code is there. Let's look at the code. And there you can see it's a 4JG2 motor. Same as the one in our truck. There. That one. Okay. Now let's go on with this story here. Now there's some people say, no, yeah, this is a copy. I think it's a copy. It's not a copy. They all told me this is a Peugeot motor. Now I want to show you some things about this motor. Is it a those people that know the DW engines or the XUD engines more than I do. Let's see, that is a tensioner, and that is a jockey pulley. So I don't know if Peugeot has stuff like that. They might have a similar pump to this. This is a DPC for the turbo motor. There you can see the actuator or whatever they call it to increase the fuel when the turbocharger starts to boost air through this pipe, down that pipe there to the pump. Okay, and so now it's a nice day today, but now it's a windy day today. Now the pump, water pump is down there. Hier is die waterpomp daaronder. So dit is min of meer 'n DW motor. So method of the similar method they use on the DW motors and DW or the HDI DW motors. DW8 motors or whatever, they say this is a 2 liter. Now, the cover, that is a rocker arm cover, tappet cover. It doesn't look like a Peugeot cover to me. And there's a written Tata on there. And here on the manifold, this is written on it. So, I don't know if Peugeot does that. Okay, let's get... I must go and get a plier, water pump plier, a pair of pliers of water pump pair of pliers to undo the hose there. I'm not going to cut hoses here because these people, in South Africa, they use the old hoses we don't have money for new hoses. We have to use old hoses. New hoses are too expensive. 500 rand for a hose, between 400 and 500 rand for hoses. I spent more than 2,000 rand on hoses for this vehicle and that pickup of mine over there when replacing the radiator with the 206 radiators. This one has a 206 radiator in, and that one also. We took the older copper brass radiator out. Now it's an aluminium plastic radiator. Okay, now let me go and find a pair of pliers, water pump pliers. Okay, I'm back with the water pump pliers. Let's see if I can do this. Take this like so. And then it's nice because it's slipping over. So. Very rusted there. The fitting, yeah, no coolant. Okay, let's see if I can undo the top cylinder head bolts. I call it the top bolts too. Cylinder kop boute helaas met rye. Sien of ek dit kan regkry. Ek dink met my lang kragstaaf gaan haal. I must go and fetch my long power bar for this. So now I'm back with my long power bar. Right. See if we can do it. It's the 14th today, the Saturday the 14th. We start on the outside. And once they turn. Okay. What's going on now? Don't slip. that one is loose. The center one is loose here on the right hand side. Okay, now I can put this thing down and take the impactor. Right, let's see, come on. Right, they are loose. First time I've ever used the big Torx or Torx, whatever you call it. What is it? Number what is it? Can't even see. 55. Yep, it's Torx number 55. My biggest one I have. Okay. Now something else. Oh my. Okay. I'm going to undo all those pipes at the back there by the turbo. Off camera, otherwise it takes too long, too much time. Alright, let's see what's going on now. If it will come off. Now, as far as I can see, this is only a oil cooled turbocharger, no water pipes, I think. Let's see if I can get it out. Now there is a pipe. Right, this is a dipstick pipe. It's already broken off. Like that. Klaar afgebreek die dipstick pipe. Dipstick pipe. It's already broken off down there. Where is it? There. Right. Now, my back. I shouldn't be picking up this. Stel om dit op te tellen hier. Bezigheid. Oh, what is the matter now? Okay, that. Oh, God, a lot of sand. Okay. Oh, my back. rug is af. Oh, I know. So what I can see what happened here is a stupid design again. The gasket is down there and it's burnt there. That's burnt off. That's starting to burn off. So let's turn it this there. As you can see there, metal stuff coming off. So the gasket burnt out there. Now the stupid design is the little bit of metal here in between. I don't know why they make it like that. Ek weet nie hoekom hulle dit so doen nie. Hou alreeds nie met die soliede metaal daar nie. Nou het hulle nou 'n groef daar so. Nou is dit nog erger. It doesn't last long even with the metal there. Now they cut a groove in there. Those all there too. All have grooves. Now they don't last long. Now it packs up even quicker. Daar's nou stellende koppakkings mag meer snel. Reg. Is dit hier geblaas en daar so geblaas. Hier is hy nou goed. Daar geblaas en daar geblaas. That's not good. 2 liter motor this. I don't think it's same measurements as a DW motor. I hope the DW motor doesn't look like this, because that's a stupid idea. This is already a stupid idea. Turning the pump with the cam belt, water pump. If the water pump goes bad, then it rips the teeth off, and then the valves are also buggered up. You can see 2 valves are open, that one and that one. One exhaust and one intake is now fully open. If it snaps a belt or strips a belt, cam belt, then there's big problems. Interference motor. Okay. Now we stripped this thing. That's all the guy wanted to know, is to see what went wrong here. It's also burning a lot of oil, he says. So maybe it needs rings too. Gasket and rings. Nou okay, so I say bye bye from this video. So tot ziens van deze video. Tata motor gestrip. Tata motor stripped. Okay, bye bye. Tot ziens. Until the next video, tot de volgende video. I hope my back is better then. Ek hoop my rug is beter dan. Dan moet ek al die boutjies in die blikkies gooi daar. In die blikkies daar. Canned fruit tins or whatever. I must put the bolts in the tins there. Throw them in there, I mean. Bye bye. Tot ziens. Tot de volgende video. Until the next video.